Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be repotting my Monstera Albo. I went to go water it the other day and I noticed the next day all of the water was gone. I also noticed that there's a lot of roots that are squished up against the sides of the jar. So I definitely want to give this plant some more room to breathe. We did put her on this moss pole in my Making Moss Poles video. And since doing that, it looks like one of her aerial roots is making its way into the moss pole, which is very exciting. We won't be extending the moss pole just yet. We're just gonna repot her in this video. So if that's something that interests you, then just keep watching. So I am going to be using this pot right here. I think it's a pretty good size to repot this plant in. This was the last leaf that came out. It's not that variegated in the front. I think there's a little bit more variegation in the back. But one thing I did notice with this plant is that on, let's see, on this side, the leaves are very variegated. But leaves that are coming out on the left side, the first leaf literally starts with no variegation. And then this leaf came out. And then this leaf on the left also came out. I'm hoping the next leaf that comes out is nice and big and variegated, and hopefully we also have some fenestrations. How exciting would that be? The way this plant is potted up, this chunk part right here, when I first got this plant, I had potted it into leca, but that chunk started to rot. So I switched it to pond, and I put this little plastic piece right under the chunk so it's not getting wet constantly. I'll show you that when I start taking this out of the pot. I have some clean pond in this pot right here. I finally have a little scooper. I'm just gonna dump some in here. Oh my god, no. So that's how much I put in the pot. It is stained, I think, from soil or from, I don't even know, honestly. So first we are going to take the plant out. Oh my god, I'm scared. Guys, this thing is freaking stuck in here. Oh my god. This is not good. I'm gonna have to try. Oh, there we go. Oh. Not that bad. So I'm literally just going to get him in there like this. Kind of want to put his moss pole. Oh my god, the roots are so wrapped up. I can't wait till they spread out in here. That's what we got going on in the pot. I don't know. I feel like the roots need to be spread out a little bit or something. Maybe I shouldn't be disturbing the roots. And now we're just gonna backfill. I got this plant back in December and it's put out 2 new leaves for me since. And I think another new leaf is going to come out soon. I keep giving it higher light, which I think is really helping it grow faster and grow bigger leaves. My last leaf that came out was the biggest, so that does excite me. And like I said, hopefully there are fenestrations on the next one. Oh, I didn't show you guys a piece of plastic. Oh my god. I just realized that the piece of plastic is in this pot for sure. Guys, where's the plastic? Oh my god, I can't do that. Where's a piece of plastic? Oh, found it. This is the piece of plastic I was telling you about. I just stick it like right under the bottom of where the pond meets the chunk so that it doesn't rot. So that's why I was like, where is it? I really need that piece. Roots in without stabbing. And now we're just gonna backfill like an animal because who got the time? Who got the time? I know this plant is gonna be so happy. I know I said in a previous video that I want to do a wish list plants video, an updated one. But the thing is, I keep buying my wish list plants. I just bought another one, which you guys will see soon. I'm so excited. But like the El Chaco Red was on my wish list, another dragon scale was on my wish list, and I already got those. There are about like 5 to 7 more plants that I want to add to my collection this year. So maybe I'll still do that video. So I just want to show you what I did to the chunk thing. Oh my god, you can't even really see it. I'll show you guys after what I did to the chunk because it's kind of hard to see from what I'm doing now. Even if the pond is wet, the chunk won't be wet. Oh my god, I'm so freaking pumped. This looks so good. My finished repotted Monstera Albo. She looks so pretty. I'm so excited for her roots to expand and grow. I honestly didn't think this Monstera was gonna grow that fast because it's an Albo and it has white in it, besides this leaf. But I didn't think it was gonna grow that fast. But ever since I increased the light, it seems to be growing at the same rate as my Monstera deliciosa. I really hope it gets extra, extra large. We're probably definitely gonna have to extend her moss pole in the very near future. But for right now, this is what she looks like. Oh my god, she's so pretty, I can't. And if you are struggling with your Monstera in any medium, try pond because this worked for me. That does bring me to the end of today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye guys.